Hello, in this really short video, quick and snappy, I'm going to show you how to see all the command history. So when we put in a command, like for example, if I type in which, I'm searching for like where this command is located, which CD, no not that, sorry, let's do which file. It's located right here, it is located there. And if we want to see the history of all the commands that we've done, you type in history, click enter, and it shows all the commands and it shows what number that command is. So it also shows the last command that you did, which was history. And as you can see, there will have been a bunch of commands, and it will go all the way back to when I first actually installed Linux on my computer, and I was initially just upgrading it. And actually I was meant to do update first, then upgrade. I made a lot of mistakes, hence why I did update then. And then I was actually installing the NVIDIA drivers for Linux and a bunch of other stuff as well. I was installing the RetroArch emulators, BleemSync, and a whole bunch of other stuff. That's a great way of seeing your history. Maybe you want to use a command that you used a couple of days ago, or you want to navigate to a particular directory and you cannot remember. This is a great thing for that. Simple stuff, just type in history, click enter, and it will show it. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.